scene. Then I get a go DJ. Go DJ. Then I get a...
Guys, welcome back to my channel. I don't know why I said welcome back. It's really welcome to, but hey y'all. I'm showing you guys how I trim my hair. I am not a licensed hair professional, but this is how I trim my hair because I don't really go to the salon. Ain't nobody got money for that, and I do have time, but I'm just not going. But anyways, stay tuned. All you're gonna need is really scissors, some clips, which I don't have right now, and maybe a comb if your hair is entangled. But I'm starting off on freshly washed hair. Yes, I'm drying my hair with a t-shirt because I feel like it's better than a towel. So I washed my hair about probably 2 hours ago. Did some chores and I came back and this is how my hair looks. I'm always on this camera looking crazy. But anyway, stay tuned to learn how to trim your hair at home. Alright, so as you can see, my hair is split in 4. I'm going to be splitting this twist into probably about 3-4 pieces. You want to have small pieces so that it's easier to trim your hair and it's a bit more accurate than just trimming one big chunk. So here I am. I'm going to twist this piece and moisturize it. So as you can see, I twisted my hair all the way to the end. You want to get it as close to the bottom as possible. Unless you see the damage, you don't really have to twist it, but I just twist it because it's easier to hold it just like that. So in this, I'm holding it up, and as you can see, it gets thinner as you go down the shaft. So I'm running my fingers down the shaft, and once I feel it getting flat, that's where I'm going to want to trim. So that's where I'm pointing. Yep, period, right there. Look mad thin. So grabbing your hair shears, not no regular scissors. You grab your hair shears, got that piece, and zoop, cut. See how that end just looks so curvy? That's what you gotta do. Look at it. Just look at that. Look at that dead end. And then you see the part that I cut just looks nice. Anyways, next twist. Let's get it. Once I trim a piece, I like looking at how my ends look. If you notice, you don't see no rough ends no more. And that's what you want, okay? Now you can see that I have that little, like, it just looks thin on the end. So that's basically what you're going to be trimming. And that's my twist. So if you take your hands and you want to have your pointer finger and your thumb, you're running it all along the twist. When you feel like it's starting to get thin, like you're gonna feel it go thick to thin, and that's how you know that those are dead ends. So mine hits right there, but at the same time, you don't have to trim all of it unless you don't care about your length. And honestly, your hair isn't gonna grow if you have dead ends, but if you don't trust yourself, I just wouldn't trim all of it. But at this point right now, I'm not really tripping. So let's hit that. Scary. And another way you could tell that you want to trim it is if you look at your hair, you see how it's thick and then it gets thin like right about there. Like it's just thick to thin. So as you can see, I would be cutting it around here. So, and that's also around the area where it starts to feel thin. All this right here. So you're going to take shears. Don't use no paper scissors. Don't use scissors that you've been using to cut anything else but your hair. Strictly hair scissors. You're gonna take it. Just snip it. Okay, but honestly, that's basically it. As you can see right here, we are trimming our hair because it just is rough and dry. So when you're done trimming your hair, your ends are gonna feel so much better. So I'm gonna run through one more. It's all the same steps. You twist your hair. You can match to the other twist if you're twisting for length, but at this point I was twisting to get all the damage off. As I hold this twist up, you're going to see how it really gets thinner at the end. Like, oop, ciao, gotta go. And that's exactly where my finger ends up at. Look at some healthy ends. Alright, so I'm going to speed through the rest because it's the same process for the rest of the head, but y'all better not fast forward. The change here is so noticeable. Wow, wow, look, what? Okay, guys, that is the finished look. Well, it's not a look, but you guys get what I mean. That's all it is. It's very simple to trim your own hair at home. Just take a look at them ends, baby. It's healthy. It's giving curl. It's giving all of it. Thanks for tuning in to my first ever video. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Bye.